Hey folks, thanks for joining me, Ryan Nelson, on another episode of Carolina Cats, Bass, and Bream. Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned, like and share. Alright guys, so very short notice. It's like 3:30 in the afternoon here on a Sunday. I just had to drop the kids off with the mother-in-law. The wife doesn't get off till 3:45. Tried to get her to come, but she insists that she has other things to do that are more important, which I whatever. Alright y'all, we're finna put in
Easy,
right over here in Little River.
Easy, she's bobbing. Come on, easy. There you go. Come on. Come on back. All right, pull out. What are we doing, golf cart?
They're watching that tugboat.
That tugboat's going where? To the docks?
Yeah, I believe so.
Alright y'all, we are headed out to the ocean, trying to fish for some kings. They're running, and we heard it's real choppy out here right now, but we're gonna see what we can do. I'm sure we're gonna have some good luck. If not, we're gonna have a great time. I haven't been out on a boat like this, truthfully, since I used to longline right out of Little River here, which we'll be passing the marina soon. I'll turn it on and show you. Wish us luck. Right here is the marina where we used to put out and sail out into the sea. We'd go about 700 miles out from Georgia and fish about 800 feet down. Golden tile fish, rose fish. The fish house is that tall, real light green building, one next to the big M you see. That's where they pack the fish and give us ice from the boat and all that. It was a good time. I enjoyed it. I think everybody should do it at least once. At least one season. I believe that. Got that on film. I got that on film, boy. Ah, shit. I got it. I pulled out a tablet just in time.
Channel over there in that 15-foot.
It got real choppy out there by the jetties. We couldn't actually get out into the ocean. It was crazy.
Crazy, you just fall from the beach and it's only 5 foot.
Let's see what we're gonna get. Might come across. He's got all kind of fish, jack, everything out here. So, let's see if we got any luck. A little toadfish. Tucker, get back, boy.
I don't want to sink it into him further, but my God.
Hey. Get back. Get back, buddy. Get back.
Take that hook out of here. Hey, but I'd like to put that fish on a big hook on that 50 and send him out there. Can you hook him in that 50 real good in the sun?
That we can eat tonight. That's the goal. We're trying to fry up some fish tonight. Well, we caught a toadfish, and that was it this time. We couldn't get out past the jetties. The waves were too high. We had some 4s and 5s, possibly some 6s. But, hey, Thanks for watching, and next time we're gonna catch a slew of them. What's up, y'all? So yesterday, out in the ocean, didn't have that good of luck. Thought we were gonna do better. Very, very choppy outside. So, and by the time we were coming in, it was really late. So I know you guys couldn't see the video. Anyway, today we're gonna go ahead and merge these two videos together since there wasn't much footage yesterday. And I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade fish trap out of chicken wire. Alright. I got a square of it like this. You can use anything to fasten it. I'm using wire. A pair of dikes and a wrench or something just to smash it down so you don't have stuff poking out. Alright, so you got your square. Come in here and you want to fold it, okay? About this far up. Something like that. Then you take your dikes here and you're going to want to cut up your fold. I'm going to separate about 4 squares. Now, you take your 2 ends like this, and you're going to want to bring them together. And essentially, by doing this, you're going to get a cone shape. Like you see there. We're going to fasten it with some wire, and I'll show you what to do next. Now you have it should come out with a design looking something like this right here. Once you put your wire on it, alright. Get your wire on there real nice, tight. Put your little edges in there so they don't get poked. You'll come out with this. Now what you need to do is we got to connect these 2 pieces together and that back piece together so the fish can't get out. You see what we're trying to accomplish here. And then you take it and you want to get that opened up better. Just a little bit. That way you can get your corners in here nice and tight in a minute. See how I smashed it down? And we're going to fasten these together also in a little bit. So you're just weaving it like a basket. Just weaving it all the way down until you can eventually close all this. Just use a wrench and you pull that wire nice and tight and you weave it and you wrap it and you weave it and you wrap it. Alright, now for the inside part here. Alright, and the inside you can see here where we cut it, we wired it down with two wires right here and right there to make a little tunnel. And you see how that tunnel faces upward. You want them fish to be able to swim in, but when they're down here feeding and they go back out this way, they think they're caught, they come back. You can get out, but it's not going to be easy. You attach your rope right up top here. You drop that sucker into the water. Put your bait in this back corner, and you can basically see them, and you pull them right up. This is going to catch a lot of bluegill right here. So while you're fishing for bluegill, you can be trapping for bluegill at the same time if you do a lot of catfishing. Well, thanks for watching how to make a fish trap with a chicken wire by Carolina Cats, Bass, and Bream. We out.